I am Kate Chapinski, and I want to give you guys a review on the Zinus mattress that I have. I got this big box and I brought it inside and I undid it and undid all the wrappings all by myself. And if I can do it, you can definitely do it. It probably took a good 48 hours maybe for it to actually get to its size that it is. And it is so comfortable. It is firm, but it's cushy at the same time. I have the green tea infused mattress. You know how some mattresses have that like new unboxing smell? And it smells kind of chemically and just not very good. This one did not have any odor like that at all. You can sit on the side of the mattress and it holds up pretty firm. I have another mattress in one of the girls' rooms that if I sit on the side, I just kind of like fall down. You know how mattresses get worn and you get like body marks in them? Well, I've had this almost 2 years and there is none of that going on with this mattress.